And here it is, my Bombardier DS 650, just been made road legal. I've been spending a little bit of time just making sure I had all the bits to get it road legal, which is the mirrors, also making sure that the brake light works. Also done a little bit of a modification and got the speedo on vape, which works really well. Has its own little battery inside as well, so it doesn't need to run off the mains. And a little sensor down here is where my speedo and the little magnet on the brake disc. And then just down here you can see where the temperature gauge is for the water. And to be fair, that is it's a bit hot lately, but it's been a bit hot all round lately, so I'm hoping that we've done that right. And then finally is that little wind up piece of wire, red wire there, which is keeping an eye on my revs, which goes nicely near the plugs. So, like I say, speed sensor, water temperature, and we've also got revometer. And like I say, I'll show you all that on the dash. Temperature of the engine, the max temperature of the engine, and what temperature is outside. And as you can see, it's 32 degrees outside. So the engine being 41, and it was only been running a little bit, but it's heating up a little bit quick. So I think I'm going to check up on the radiator, just make sure that's working right. And obviously, just to make sure that you have made it fully road legal, you would need a horn as well. So I got a couple of those crazy things on eBay, but in the end I went to Motor World, which seemed to be the best option because the guys there are really good, and they fixed me up with this little beauty. And sits quite nicely just in that gap. As you can see, there's not much room for it anywhere else on the bike. And then just a nice little button, which we have around about here, so just be ready for the noise. There it is. Big hefty horn. So there you go. Now ready for MOT. This will be on the road possibly in about a month's time. See you guys soon.